Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start by making sure your controller is connected and you're signed in. Once ready, press the Xbox button to bring up the guide. This is faster than navigating home menus. From the guide, go to Profile and System, then choose Settings so you can access Ease of Access options. Make sure you follow each menu label exactly because the narrator may read similar sounding items. This prevents accidental toggles and gets you to the narrator controls quickly. Once in Settings, open Ease of Access so you can manage narration directly. You'll see a narrator section. Select it to reveal the on/off toggle and related settings. You can change voice style, verbosity, and whether it reads button labels. Adjust those now if you want to keep some spoken feedback. Make sure to move slowly through each option because changing verbosity affects how much the narrator speaks and can hide or reveal menu details. Now flip the narrator toggle to off and listen for immediate silence. This confirms the setting applied. If you still hear speech, close the current app or do a quick console restart to clear cached audio. If the toggle won't change, try the controller shortcut. Press Xbox plus menu for shortcut access, or perform a full power cycle by holding the Xbox button for 10 seconds. If problems continue, check for stuck accessibility profiles or control.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.